and it looks like Hurricane Hannah has strengthened into a Category 1 hurricane.
This storm is capable of producing flash flooding, damaging winds, and strong thunderstorms.
And yes, there is a slight risk of severe weather, so there could be a probability of tornadoes too.
Alright, well, I think that's the news.